And as I said, in this presentation here, we'll be sharing the 60 potential finalists, which is still being reviewed by the various juries to ultimately identify the 18 which qualify to the final. So, as I've said, the organisers of the competition on Centre for Organisational Excellence Research, the BPR.com, and the Global Benchmarking Network. And I think you all know me by now. I'm Dr. Robin Mann, the chair of the International Best Practice Competition. Wish to thank once again all our supporters of the competition from around the world who helped to promote the event and provide our jury members to this event who've been undertaking some outstanding work assessing your applications. So these are the jury. I'm sure you've all met at least 4 of them. We've always had 4 jury members per panel, and for each webinar. So we've actually had 21 webinar sessions over the last month. So again, they put in a tremendous amount of work. It's all voluntary. They read your written application. So they ask you the questions. They then have a consensus meeting after, and are hugely encouraging of this whole event. So really appreciate their assistance. These are the IBPC certification scheme levels, which I'm sure you are all aware of now. So we won't be announcing any star ratings today. They'll be announced at the very end of this whole event, which will be the 22nd of September, where I think all participants will receive their star rating certificates and digital badges. But the process at the moment is to identify those best practices which potentially can go to the final and potentially be recognised at a 6 or 7 star level. We're hoping that most of the finalists will be at that level. So as I've said, all participants will receive digital badges and digital certificates, but that won't be for some time yet. What we actually do, this is why we try to do this as professionally as possible, is that we wait until after the final before we start issuing the certificates, because we sort of calibrate everybody else's star rating based on those 7-star best practices that are obtained in the final. So that's why, even if you've not got the potential to reach the final after this session today, we still can't issue you your star ratings, because we still have to do quite a bit of calibration. Just to remind you as well, all of you should have already, I believe, been issued access to the best practice improvement resource. If not, then that will be happening very shortly. And also, starting from next week, we'll be starting to share the best practice webinar sessions that you've all been through on the bpr.com. So you'll be able to watch your own presentation once again, and more importantly, watch the presentations of all the other applicants, so you can learn from them to help to improve your organizations in the future. So we'll do that stage by stage, where we're starting to share the best practices on the bpr.com, and we also go back to all the participants as well, just to make sure there's nothing confidential being shared before the information goes live. In addition, I'd like to remind you too that we have sent out an invitation to complete a survey, and in that survey there's also the opportunity to meet my team, who are happy to meet all the participants and share the services that we provide, which can help to elevate your best practices in the future. So we do provide, for instance, benchmarking training. Also, you can go through IBPC best practice certification outside of the competition too. So it can be undertaken all year round. So we can describe the process with which that can be done. And also there is a mechanism where we can give you additional feedback on your application. Ultimately, we're wanting all organizations here to have a fantastic experience and improve their performance in coming years. So we've had 110 qualifying entries from 14 countries. You'll have seen some of them present in your webinar sessions. And we've had best practices across the 21 categories of excellence. And we'll have later on announced, I think on the 10th of September, we'll be announcing the highest star ratings for each of those categories. So just to remind everybody is that you all have been through round 2 now. So round 2 is complete. So originally we were going to share with you 50 potential finalists, but we were running out of time to do that. So we've extended it to 60, to be honest, because it's so many best practices are so close to each other in terms of their standard. And so we've enlarged that to 60 at the moment before our committees and juries decide on those final 18, which will proceed to the final on the 19th and 20th of August. So for the finalists that do proceed to that final, they can deliver exactly the same presentation that they delivered in round 2, or they can make changes to it based on perhaps the questions they've received from the jury. So it's entirely up to you. And when we have the finals on the 19th and 20th of August, there'll be 3 webinar sessions of 6 best practices in each of them. Some of the jury members might be familiar to you, but there'll also be some new jury members too. So we're just trying to evaluate these best practices as comprehensively as possible. And then the announcement of the 7-star award winners will be on the 25th of August. Also, please note, it'll be next Monday, which will be the 4th of August, where we will announce the 18 finalists. So again, we'll send you invitations to attend that announcement. Again, this slide here shows the overall process that we are going through. So on the 25th of August, we'll be announcing the 7-star award winners. On the 10th of September, we'll announce the winners of the various categories. We'll also announce the Pioneer and Excellence Prizes for organisations that have submitted many best practices, because ultimately we want organisations to submit as many best practices as possible at a high level, because that helps you all on your journey to organisational excellence. We'll also celebrate the highest star rating for an SME. And also we are running up 3 other awards as well. And so I'll be announcing the winners of those other awards. And you can still apply for those other awards until the 31st of July, which is tomorrow, so not much time now. And finally, all of you will receive your digital certificates, badges, and star ratings by the 22nd of September. So with that, 16 best practices have been selected as potential finalists, and we're going to go through them one by one. A key thing here is not to be disappointed if you're not in those 60. The standard, as I'm sure you've witnessed, has been incredibly high. So it's been very demanding job for the jury to decide often which ones are the strongest in their webinar sessions. Sometimes we do get standouts which are clearly superior than the others, but that's very rare. Normally, we have quite a few best practices which are quite similar to each other. They often also take quite a bit of interpretation, because the applications have been written very succinctly and very clear, so it is quite evident what is the best practice, how it is implemented, and the level of performance, and whether they've done benchmarking, etc. Other times it's not been so clear, especially the scope of the best practice and what it exactly includes. And so in some cases there is a little bit of guesswork by the jury. to decide exactly where it stands in comparison to other best practices. So I think as a learning point for many of these best practices have been submitted is really the skill in application writing and the skill in delivering um, a presentation that meets those 6 criteria that you're being assessed against. Because otherwise it makes it very difficult for the jury to assess them. In some cases, we've seen applications where we think they could potentially be a 6 or 7 stars, but the quality of the written application and the quality of the presentation just raises too many questions in terms of the rigor or the the evidence supporting the best practice. So some of you will be quite disappointed, I'm sure, because you'll not be in the top 60, and potentially it is a world-beating best practice, but unfortunately, it's just not done enough in terms of the clarity of the presentation, the clarity of the information for the judges to be confident to put it into the top 60. It's very hard to get into the top 60 best practices. Other best practices, I think maybe the jury feel as though they can potentially be 5, 6, or 7-star best practice in the future, but they just think maybe it just needs another year, another year until you reach that level of maturity. So again, don't be disheartened by by whether you're in the top 60 or not. To treat this as an opportunity to come back next year and improve the practice. And in particular, if you don't qualify to the top 18, I would strongly recommend that you attend the finals on the 19th and 20th of August, because you'll see then with your own eyes uh, the quality of the top 18 best practices, and it'll help you to understand why perhaps your best practice has not reached that level. I have seen across many of the webinar sessions, some people come along, they deliver their own presentation, and then they disappear from the webinar session. And that's not the purpose of the best practice competition. The purpose of the best practice competition is to listen to all the presentations in your session, because normally they're similar to yours. It's an opportunity for learning, an opportunity for improvement. And plus also we encourage you to come along to all the webinar sessions and all the final presentations too, because the main point of this, to be honest, is not the star ratings. It's the opportunity to improve all our organizations and businesses. So with that said, let's begin. So we're going to be sharing these in order the presentations delivered from session 1 to session 21. And I will announce what number the best practice is, saying this is the first best practice which has been approved to be in the top 60. And Dr. Almas will read the name of the organization. So good luck to everybody. Well done to those who are part of the 60, but also well done to everybody in putting the effort into the competition. I mean, you're all winners from our perspective. So thank you very much indeed. So best practice number 1 that's qualified.
Dubai Police Digital Twin and Crime Scene Reconstruction by Dubai Police, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 2.
Meta Hub, an innovative initiative for traffic awareness by Fujairah Police Headquarters, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 3.
Tele-EMS, remote physician support for ambulance crews by Dubai Corporation for Ambulance Services, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 4.
Automation of quality and ISO systems management by Al Dhafra Region Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 5.
IntelliOps real-time assets optimization at AD Ports Group by Abu Dhabi Ports Group, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 6.
Sustainable Schools Initiative by Environment Agency, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 7.
Smart LED road lighting for sustainable urban infrastructure by Fujairah Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 8.
Connecting a whole school community with nature. Jebel Ali School, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 9.
Strategies to shorten long-term hospital stays by Dahran Long-Term Care Hospital, Saudi Arabia.
Best practice number 10.
Optimizing operating room utilization by Maternity and Children's Hospital, Dammam, Saudi Arabia.
Best practice number 11.
Equipment Quality and Usage Inventory Platform by Tenaga Nasional Berhad, TNB, Malaysia.
Best practice number 12.
Transformational Approach to Reduce Hospital Length of Stay by King Fahad Specialist Hospital, Dammam, Saudi Arabia.
Best practice number 13.
Telemedicine Role in Epilepsy Management by Jubail General Hospital, Saudi Arabia.
Best practice number 14.
Enhancing Early Detection and Activation in STEMI Care by Saud Al Babtain Cardiac Center, Saudi Arabia.
Best practice number 15.
Your Voice is Your Safety by Fujairah Police Headquarters, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 16.
Virtual Reality for Construction Site Safety by Abu Dhabi City Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 17.
Case Management Framework for Improved Patient Flow and Outcomes by Dammam Medical Complex, Saudi Arabia.
Best practice number 18.
A Strategic Approach to Technology Scouting by Dubai Aviation Engineering Projects, DAEP, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 19.
Improving Clinical Outcomes through Value-Based Care by Bangkok Hospital, Pattaya, Thailand.
Best practice number 20.
Empowering Maritime Development through Global Best Practices by Abu Dhabi Ports, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 21.
From Digital Foundation to Centralized Planning Excellence by Abu Dhabi Ports, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 22.
Smart Housing Platform, Redefining Government Service Delivery by Mohammed bin Rashid Housing Establishment, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 23.
Digital Transformation Platform by Dubai Culture and Arts Authority, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 24.
Digital Transformation Strategy by Dubai Customs, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 25.
GIS and MIS for Water-Based Management by Datamatics Eswatini Private Limited, Eswatini.
Best practice number 26.
UMCC Consolidating Data Across Multiple Systems by Abu Dhabi Ports, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 27.
MSc Knowledge Mapping Framework by Mubarakeh Steel Company, Iran.
Best practice number 28.
A strategic approach to business process improvement by Dubai Customs, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 29.
Tawfeer Committee, driving savings and improvement across organizations by AD Ports Group, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 30.
Sustainable Environmental Resource Management in Nahel Park by Al Ain City Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 31.
Best Practices in Preservation of Al Ain Oasis by Al Ain City Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 32.
Implementation of an ecosystem-based fisheries management system by Environment Agency Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 33.
Eco seawall panels, redefining sustainable coastlines by Abu Dhabi Ports, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 34.
Strategy for customer-centric services by Ras Al Khaimah Police Headquarters, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 35.
Self-cook kitchen facilities for staff accommodation by Labotel LLC, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 36.
Bridal jewelry redefined through timeless Madhubani inspiration by Titan Company Limited, India.
Best practice number 37.
Citizen developer, empowering innovation through low-code training by Bridgestone Business Services, SA, Costa Rica.
Best practice number 38.
Building a feedback-driven culture for learning and growth by DBL, Pakistan.
Best practice number 39.
Volunteer relationship management by Zamzam Health Charity, Saudi Arabia.
Best practice number 40.
Jehun Research Vessel Scientific Platform by Environment Agency Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 41.
Horticulture waste composting for soil carbon sequestration by Godrej Construction, India.
Best practice number 42.
Panorama connecting operations through an intelligent and unified platform by Nuri Petrochemical Company, Iran.
Best practice number 43.
Muwasat Initiative, Digital Transformation in Bereavement Services by Sharjah Police Headquarters, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 44.
Capacity analysis automation for optimizing resource utilization by Bridgestone Business Services, SA by Costa Rica.
Best practice number 45.
Honoring the Deceased by Ajman Police, GHQ, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 46.
Smart City Centralized Waste Data Management Platform by Ajman Municipality and Planning Department, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 47.
Collaborative Paper Pulp Operations Hub by Abu Dhabi Ports Group, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 48.
The Beginning of Hope Initiative by Ajman Police General Headquarters, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 49.
Advancing Health Equity through Aster Volunteers SDG Commitment by Aster DM Healthcare, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 50.
Families make the difference in the life of an inmate by Ras Al Khaimah Police Headquarters, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 51.
Diagnostic Radiology AI Retinal Screening by Seha Clinics, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 52.
Driving Excellence through Mafnood Recognition Program by Abu Dhabi Ports Group, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 53.
Unified Electronic Safety Reporting Platform for Safer Patient Care by Eastern Health Cluster, Saudi Arabia.
Best practice number 54.
Embedding Resiliency through Proactive Crisis and Continuity Excellence by Abu Dhabi Ports, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 55.
AI for Optimizing Cybersecurity by Dubai Culture and Arts Authority, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 56.
Personalized Exit Site Care in Peritoneal Dialysis, Preventing Infections by Seha Kidney Care, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 57.
Dubai Central Laboratory Certification Process and Services by Dubai Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 58.
Towards Strategic Agility by General Directorate of Identity and Foreigners Affairs, Dubai, by United Arab Emirates.
Best practice number 59.
Specialized Dog Import Service by Ministry of Climate Change and Environment, United Arab Emirates.
And last but not least, best practice number 60.
Waste Recycle Materials Collection Center for People of Determination by Dubai Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
So congratulations to all of you, and that includes those who are not in the top 60. We'll have the next announcement of the 18 finalists on Monday at the same time as today. So we look forward to seeing you again soon. And I say congratulations to all of you. You've all done a tremendous job. So thank you so much. We'll also, we
Thanks,
should be
Gavin.
sending thank you. We should be sending the results out as well as soon as we can as well. So we'll post them on LinkedIn and send an email out to all of you as soon as we can. Thank you so much, and see many of you, I hope all of you, on next Monday. Thank you. Take care.